Looking for a tool that blends utility, creativity, and fun? In today's video, we're exploring the 5 best grappling hooks on Amazon, tested for strength, portability, and all-around performance. Let's start with the QUADPALM heavy-duty survival grappling hook. This model is widely regarded as one of the most durable and reliable hooks in its category. Constructed from a combination of SUS 304 stainless steel and ASTM 1050 high-carbon steel, the QUADPALM offers an impressive weight capacity of up to 1,102 pounds on the claws and a massive 3,306 pounds on the shaft. The 4 folding claws are designed with sawtooth edges for extra grip, making it ideal for outdoor use, gear retrieval, and even limited climbing support when paired with appropriate gear. Users on Amazon praise its solid construction, easy folding mechanism, and satisfying weight-to-durability ratio. Whether you're pulling logs, retrieving gear from difficult spots, or just enjoying an outdoor challenge, this hook is built to perform. Next is the WENCHENG 3-pack stainless steel grappling hook set, which delivers both versatility and value. This kit includes small, medium, and large-sized hooks, all forged from high-quality stainless steel. Each hook has 3 claws and is heat-treated for enhanced strength and resilience. What makes this set particularly useful is its flexibility. You can choose the size best suited to the task at hand, whether it's recovering lost fishing gear, removing branches from a tree, or even conducting underwater retrieval. The WENCHENG set has received a 4.6-star average rating on Amazon, with users highlighting the product's strength, durability, and affordability. If you're just getting started with grappling hooks or want a ready-to-go kit for a variety of light-duty tasks, this 3-pack is an excellent pick. Third on our list is the AntMag stainless steel grappling hook, which comes bundled with a 65-foot rope. This 4-claw design offers solid gripping power and is made from corrosion-resistant stainless steel, ensuring it holds up well in both dry and wet conditions. The included rope adds immediate utility, saving you the time and cost of purchasing one separately. It's particularly popular among outdoor hobbyists who use it for climbing, tree work, and retrieving objects from hard-to-reach places. While it's not intended for supporting human weight during climbing, it's more than capable for most gear-based or retrieval tasks. Reviewers love its all-in-one packaging, sturdy design, and reliable claw engagement. If you're looking for a complete grappling hook setup right out of the box, this one's worth checking out. Up next is the GANFINDX PRO heavy-duty folding grappling hook. This is a robust and well-balanced hook designed for survival, tactical, and camping application. Like others in the list, it features 4 folding claws, but what sets it apart is its slightly more compact, folded size and rugged locking mechanism. The stainless steel construction gives it resistance to wear and weather, while its secure folding design makes it easy to store in a backpack or toolbox. Users comment positively on its craftsmanship and weight distribution, which makes it particularly effective in hooking onto rough or irregular surfaces. For those who want something that feels like professional-grade hardware but don't want the bulk, the GANFINDX Pro strikes the right balance. Finally, we have the GYANDULY large 4-claw folding grappling hook, which also includes a 65-foot nylon rope. This model is an Amazon's Choice product and has gained a strong following thanks to its reliability and portability. The hook features 4 heavy-duty stainless steel claws that fold inward, making it easy to store and carry. With a maximum opening of over 7 inches, it's suitable for catching on larger tree limbs, rocks, or man-made structures. The included rope is sturdy and provides a complete solution for users who want a quick grab-and-go utility tool. Customers report using it for everything from camping and tree climbing to lake retrieval and even magnet fishing. It's highly rated for its ease of use, solid feel, and value for money.